can't wait. Sorry for that, I was near the water and the iPhone fell and it was a bit unstable, so I hope the microphone still record well. We're gonna see, otherwise it's gonna be funny. I mean, like, well, the iPhone still work at least. I changed the angle, I'm sorry, I'm a bit darker because I'm in the shadow and it's sunset. It's about a bit less than 30 degrees here in Sweden, and I wanted to go doing something that I never did before, and that's kayaking. I need to admit it's a bit more difficult than canoe. I was expecting it even more difficult. Almost fell in the water. Kind of, almost. Like I did not, but I was like, yeah, that was also something. And but otherwise I really like it. Like, this is way faster than canoe. You can't carry as much, but this is way faster than canoe and I enjoy it more. So I think next time I will take double canoe if I go with someone. I'm gonna want to do some more kilometers with the canoe. I don't know yet. I don't think I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna go a bit around more, and yeah, tomorrow back to work. I guess I will try to make another travel log before I go back to work. Guys, have a good day. Oh, one more thing before I forgot. Look. You know what's that? That is my drone, and it's alive. If you're watching the channel, like the last I think 3 videos, I don't remember, I said that my drone took a dip in the water. Well, managed to get it back. It's not repaired from DJI, otherwise it would take much longer to get repaired, 4 or 5 weeks. Now I dried it as thorough as I could. I put it in the very warm and dry area, and now it's back to work. And I'm super happy. So now I can give you some shots, still give you some shots. So, and I'll be more careful when I use that, okay? I promise. Anyway. Now, I leave you, and time to go back on the canoe. Bye-bye!